how to test the checkout process for your Shopify store. So once we have Shopify open here, we're going to go to settings and we want to get our store's link here. So I'm just going to get this link, going to right click, copy, and then I'm going to load up a new page here, and this is what my store looks like. So after that, we want to locate the product that we want to test the checkout for. So for example, this keychain here, I'm just going to click on it. It will take me to the product page, and here I'm just going to click on buy it now to see what the checkout looks like. So this is where you will be able to find your checkout page for your product. So it's going to look like this. You have the delivery address here, the postal code, the city, the shipping method. So you will need to enter your address here before you can see the shipping methods, and the payments here. So what I can see here is that my checkout has not is not accepting payments. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back to my store, and I'll simply have to click on payments, and I'll have to set up a payment method. So that's how you check out the checkout page for your product on Shopify. If you find any issues like I have here for my payments, you just want to go back and fill out the information and you will be good to go. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.